Hello guys, this is Cian, and today we're going to talk about how to format your writing. First, I will give you some rules, then we will go over how to do this, and I will show you an example. First, some rules. Your paragraph needs a heading. The heading explains who you are. You need your name, the date, the assignment, and your section number. It should also have a title. Your title, the first word should always be capitalized, as well as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Other words, like prepositions or articles, are not capitalized. Your paragraph needs to be double-spaced. It should have Times New Roman font and size 12, not bigger. Plus, the first line of your paragraph should be indented. Now, let's talk about how to do these. Here is an example. You can see my heading, my name, date, writing assignment, and my section number. Then you can see my title. It is in the middle, and it has capitalized words. M in moving, because it is the first word, and D for dorm, because it is a noun. Into and the do not need to be capitalized because they are a preposition and an article. Next, you see I double-spaced my writing, so there is an extra space between lines. And it is indented. It means there is extra space before the first line. How do you do this? Well, to indent, press the Tab button. The Tab button is on the left side of your keyboard, close to the letter Q. How do you double space? First, highlight your words, then choose the button at the toolbar with lines and arrows pointing up and down, and choose 2 for double. How do you center? First, highlight your text, go to the toolbar, and press the button that has text in the middle. You can see it circled at the bottom here. And how do you spell check? Spell check will show you words that are misspelled. The misspelled words will be underlined in red. You will right-click, not normal click, but right-click, and choose the correct spelling. Now, if your computer or writing looks weird, maybe your keyboard is in Japanese. So please be careful. Make sure your keyboard is in English. Remember, if you need help, come to a friend or to your teacher. Now, how do you save and send your writing? We need to know who you are, what the writing is, and what section number you're in. It's very, very important. So please save your assignments like this. Your first name dot your last name dot the writing assignment dot section number. For me, it will be cian.myers.writing assignment 1.section A1. Okay, I hope this answers all of your questions. Now let's look at an example of my writing with some problems. Nope, not that one. This one. Okay, here you can see my writing. Now, there's a lot of great things. It looks pretty good, but there are some problems. Let's look at the heading first. The heading looks good. It is on the right-hand side. You can see this button. It has my name, the date, the writing assignment, and my section number. Now let's look at the title. The title has some problems. First, the title needs to be in the center, so we will go up here and press centered. Next, the title is green. Now, green is my favorite color, but it is not appropriate for a writing assignment. So, we need to change the color, and we will choose this A, and we will make it black. Now, the title is very big and bold. Let's change bold first. It should not be bold. And it is not Times New Roman. Let's choose Times New Roman. And it should be size 12, not 20. Ooh, that's better. But I still have some capitalization problems. The is capitalized. That's good because it is the first word. Colorful also needs to be capitalized because it's an adjective. Business is a noun, needs to be capitalized. Of is okay, and so is in because they are prepositions, so we do not need to change them. Now, here you can see my paragraphs. There are some good things, but you can see the size is different. Let's change that. It should be size 12. Everything should be 12. Also, I do not have it double spaced, so I will click here and double space it. Ah, that looks good. Next, I need to change my indent, so I will push indent here, and for my next paragraph, indent. Everything is Times New Roman. It is size 12. It is black. This part is on the left, but there is an indent. That's good. The only thing left is my spelling. Here you can see a word. There is underlined in red. If you right-click, you can see two possible words. Am I looking for world or wood? Ah, I want world, so that is the correct spelling. Now Lego, was. And now, sold. Okay, no other, oh, Millhouse is a name, it's okay. Everything else is not red, it looks good. Now I will save it with my name, the writing assignment, and my section number.